Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to be talking about masking, unity UI masking, and mask are images with an alpha channel. An image with a mask applied conforms to the shape of that mask. Okay, so if I have image A here and image 2 here, and I want to mask this image to conform to the frame of this image, I can do that. So simply I'm going to come here and create a new UI, and then I'm going to create an image. So this is going to be the mask. I can give it anything I want. Let's say 0, 0, and everything I set everything to 0 as well. 0, so that is my image. Okay, maybe just a bit of it. Let's see, 500 by 300. Maybe that's my image. Okay, this is my masking. Okay, so I want an image to conform. I want an image to be constrained from this frame, not to go beyond this frame. Okay, so first I'm going to set sprite for this image. So I'm just gonna head down to my I'm going to use what am I going to use? Let me use this one. It's a Cruella image, and if you notice, if I drag it here, it doesn't apply. So basically I have to transform this into a sprite, and then I hit apply. So I have a sprite there. I go back to mask, and then when I drag this sprite over here, it's applied there. So when I play this, that is my image right over there. And then I want an image not to be displayed if it goes beyond this frame, okay, or rather crop it. Okay, so I'm going to constrain an image from this frame you see here. So I'm gonna come here, and then I'm going to create a UI, and then I'm going to display a raw image. Let me see, create a logo. Okay, this is the image, right? Now let's set the width to about 200, and this raw image requires a texture, right? So if I go back there and get a texture, put it here, and then this logo. So make sure the image you want to constrain is a child of the mask. Okay, so the mask is the parent, and the image you want to constrain is the child. So you drag this over here, and then you have that. Okay, so when you're masking an image, you have to add a component which is going to be the mask. So you've added masking onto this image. Okay, so you've added constraint to this image, and this one I want to be able to drag this logo here towards this frame. Okay, so you're going to add a component, and you're going to add, just a minute, you're going to add a scroll ability for this. So scroll rect, you add a scroll rect to that component, okay, to the raw image game object. So you can leave everything as default as it is here, and then what do you want to scroll here? You want to scroll this towards this frame. Okay, so you drag that over here, and then when you run this, see, you're cropping it, you're cropping it. So basically you can use these to make an interactive UI. You can drag buttons. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, you can drag buttons. Maybe you want something to move out of your way, but just remain within the scope of the masking. You can drag maps. Yeah. Yep.